Hi guys, Wearable Gal here with a real short video. I had promised to do some videos on buy now pay later, and I can't really do that right now. I'll do some smaller ones, smaller bagged items next week for buy now pay later. But I do have 2 bags of jewelry for sale right now on this video, and if you're up late at night while I post this, you're going to get a good deal. But you're going to get a good deal anyway. But I have 2 bags, and I want to show you. They're a grab bag of jewelry. They're in a quart bag. This is number 1. As you can see, it weighs over a pound. This is over a pound of jewelry. And it's a variety of things, guys. I mean, it's got earrings. It's got that nice watch on it. Why I put this watch in there is because it still's got its brand new, I always try to say name tag, but it's a price tag. It's got earrings, bracelets. This is all glass, that necklace. So glass beads. So that's number 1. This is number 2. Same, great jewelry. Some with the original price tags on it, marked, everything. I'll put that up there. That also weighs over a pound. These are $15 each plus shipping. I will ship them to you in the cheapest way possible. First person to put down below that they want these, or one, just put comment in the comment below which number you would like. They're $15 each plus shipping. And if I don't have your information, I'll need you to email it to me at vintageweartoday@gmail.com. And let's not forget, I still have that jewelry jar over there for sale. It's only got one bid on it, $20. The reserve has not been met. Go watch my previous video. It's got sterling silver in it and a lot of great things. High-end costume jewelry still with the name. There I go again, name tags. Price tags. So, back to this. Number 1 is right here. And number 2. $15 each plus shipping. Thanks, guys. I charge actual shipping, guys. I send it the cheapest way I can. Talk to you later. Bye.